Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make your friends list private on Facebook. All right, it's pretty easy to do. First up, go ahead and go to the three horizontal lines right here at the top right. Tap on it. In here, just scroll down, and you're gonna want to tap on the settings and privacy drop down, which is right here. Tap on it and go to settings. All right. And once you're in here, just go ahead and scroll down a bit until find this option or section called audience and visibility. Under that, you'll be able to see how people find and contact you. All right, just go ahead and tap on it. Now, as you can see here, the first option, who can send you friend request, could be everyone, and who can see your friends list. All right, just tap on this one and select only me. Tap on the circle besides only me, tap on it and hit on save. Once done, you just made your friends list private on Facebook. All right. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.